guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do a new episode and this one is gonna be a bit different. We had just received this morning in the mail a care package. Yes, I'm really excited, but before that I want to show you someone who's been sleeping here for a while. Say hello, Pickles. Hello. Yes, so today we're gonna make an episode together. We're gonna start with the big box, cause... No, actually we're gonna start with the slim big box, cause this is the big small box. Yes. Let's get this out of the way. So I already know it's in this one, but this is not the one that I'm really excited to open. So I kept the best one at last. Here we have some watercolor paper and I don't really know myself around watercolor paper, so this is an experiment. I don't really know what I bought, to be honest, like what kind of brand. I think it's 𝐴𝐵𝐶, I don't know how you spell it, but yeah, let's see. I hope I didn't damage it. Yes, it's 𝐴𝐵𝐶. So the X-Acto knife is running away. Let's see what we have here. A huge watercolor 𝐴𝐵𝐶 paper. This is 50 by 65, 300 grams. So yeah, I don't know much about this. I will give it a try and update you guys later. Yeah. What are you doing? You're not allowed on the desk. Go back to sleep. Stay there. No. Pickles, you're supposed to help me. Now that we've seen this thing, I will give it a try and tell you guys about it. Go away! But yeah, this is gonna be another process, another video. No! Oh, Pickles. And yeah, we'll see. Let's take this out of the way. Also, Pickles, you're really not helping. So now let's open the big small box. I'm so excited. Let's see. Hello there. Here, Pickles, this is your new toy. I'm so excited. This is so nice. Yeah, they're from China. Maybe that wasn't a good idea. What's this? Okay, this is not important. Oh my god. Yes! Oh guys, you have no idea how much I've been waiting to get this sketchbook. I've been looking after it everywhere. Because why are you making so much noise? Do you like the box? Yes, so I've been looking for this sketchbook for such a long time, I think a year or two. For some reason I can't find it anywhere in any art supply stores. I can't wait. Oh my god, I love this paper. I love everything about it. This is gonna be so much fun. Yes. It's 21.6 by 27.9 centimeters and it has 98 pages. So yeah, it's gonna take a while to fill this bad boy up. And yeah, let's do this. I do this with all my sketchbooks, all my past sketchbooks. I'm gonna put this one in here or in the back. No, I'm gonna keep it here. Yes. So I have the information here anytime and it won't bug me. Yes, I'm gonna fill this with stickers, or maybe I'm gonna paint on it. We'll see. This is the main reason why I ordered this package. I'm so happy I can't even talk. I can't explain, I can't say nothing. So, the next thing we have a Posca pen, a white one. Yeah, I like this a lot, it's pretty good. I know a lot of people like gel pens, but this one is more efficient, at least for me. It's 0.7 millimeters. Yeah, I've been using this one a lot. But everyone has heard of Posca pen, so yeah. Some Staedtler liners. Yeah, I like this a lot. 0.3 and a 0.7. Yes. And a 𝐓𝐵𝐵𝐿 0.05. I did not ask for this one. They did call me to say that they didn't have in stock the Staedtler ones, and I asked for them to switch it up with Sakura, this one. I never used Sakura pens, but I'm so excited to try it out. But for some reason they sent me 𝐓𝐵𝐿, which is a good brand, so yeah. Pickles, you're helping again. Oh, I have no idea how you say this thing. The kneaded eraser, I think this one is called. Yeah. I asked for the green color and they sent me the blue color, so yeah. But this is gonna get used and I won't see the blue color anymore. This is so nice. I like it. Yes. Put this away. We have this thingy, which I have no idea what it's called in English. Sharpener? Yes, sharpener. And Pickles is down. Pickles, you okay? Pickles? Are you alive? I hope so. Yes. This one, I wouldn't really recommend it, but it's the best brand I could find on that website. So yeah. So the next item is the same. This is so scratched. Oh, hey Pickles, you're alive. The same one, but bigger. Yes. Oh my god. I'm gonna do so much stuff. Oh, yes, I like these bad boys a lot. And the other one, but bigger, it's 27.9 by 35.6 and the same number of pages. Yes, so this one is bigger. I think this one is gonna be not really a sketchbook, but it's gonna be so I won't fill it up with sketches, but with finished pieces, I think. I don't know, we'll see. I hope I'm gonna paint in this. It's not the perfect paper for painting, but yeah, it's good, it works. That was it, all the goodies, everything that I ordered. Please let me know down below in the comments what kind of sketchbook do you guys use. Now it's time for me to go and test everything out. See you guys in the next episode. Bye!